Hey, what's going on? Coach Mark here. Listen, I wanted to just share with you really quick. One of the things that comes up this early part of the year, the first week in January, and people trying to get on a healthier path and trying to lose weight and, take control of their health. One of the things that comes up, it's meal prep, because they know they have to actually make a little bit of a plan or maybe prep ahead of time if they're going to start making meals at home. And I want to share with you how you can do it in literally minutes. And I can tell you the reason why I got inspired to share this with you, because I'm excited about this week, because we planned out the week ahead. My wife and I made a plan on Sunday. It literally took us a few minutes. We literally just wrote down what we wanted to make during the week. Now, it's not perfect and it may get messed up, but at least we have a plan Monday through Sunday. And we don't have to think about it. It's already planned. Tonight is taco night. We're going to make turkey tacos. We're going to actually make more of a turkey taco salad. We have the lettuce, we have the things that are all set up, and I'm excited about that. But I wanted to share with you, give you a practical way that you can make meal planning in minutes, literally and in minutes. So it takes a few minutes just to make the plan. You can do that on Sunday or Saturday, or pick your day, whatever works best for you. But let's just say Sunday. Of course, you got to do grocery shopping, but you're going to have to go grocery shopping anyway. So you might as well have a plan and have a list and all that. So that's going to take a little bit more time. And I'm just talking about the meals in minutes, meal planning in minutes. When you know what you're going to have for dinner, that already is going to solve one of the problems. Because what happens is you have busy days, busy weeks. The last thing you think about is dinner, and then until it's time for dinner, and then you get stuck, because then you're trying to figure out what's in the refrigerator, what you're going to make. And then you also get stuck, because if you have nothing to eat, then you easily can make the decision to order out or order in or go through the drive-thru or what have you. And that gets to be a struggle, truly a struggle. So how to make it in minutes. Make yourself a plan on the weekend for the week ahead. Make the list, go to the grocery store. Again, these are things that takes minutes. The grocery shopping might take a little bit more time. And then once you have it set up, like I know right now at home, we have our turkey meat in the fridge. And literally it's a little bit of seasoning. We know because we have taco night pretty much like once a week, and taco salads we can make, instead of the tortillas, if you want to stay away from trying to avoid a little bit of the carbs, you make the lettuce wraps. So you can make a wrap, or we're going to probably break up the lettuce and make it over a salad. A little bit of cheese, some tomatoes, what else? Onion. Super easy, super filling, good for you. Again, no nonsense. And literally all it takes is cooking the turkey meat, which really literally takes a few minutes. But I would say is what I'm excited about is Monday, and I'm just going to share with you, I'll be completely honest. Monday night, I'm going to share with you in a nutshell in the next 2 minutes. Monday night, we had leftovers. I had made soup a couple of weeks prior, which takes some time. Don't get me wrong, some of the stuff takes a little bit of time. But if you say make a soup, make enough for like 3 or 4 meals and freeze some. I had made turkey chili, and we were trying to clean out our freezer. In fact, we did a little purge. We cleaned out all the stuff, all the junk, few things that are left over from the holidays. And while we were doing that, we cleaned out the freezer. So we took things out. So Monday night was leftovers. I had the turkey chili, and we made a turkey chili, and that actually doesn't take much time. You throw it all in a pot. And then Tuesday night is taco. We have taco night. We're going to do taco salads. Wednesday night is where actually we're going to be out. We're doing breakfast for dinner. So Wednesday's easy. We're going to make probably omelets or some eggs, maybe some bacon for the kids, or turkey sausage or something like that. Super easy, but we already have that stuff set up. That's Wednesday. Thursday, this is pretty fun. Something relatively new is poke bowls. Super, super easy if you have access to get tuna, ahi tuna. We like it. My kids like it. My wife likes it. Super easy. We use rice. My kids like white rice, so we use white rice. You could do brown rice if you want. If you're trying to, be a little healthier, you want something like that. So super easy. They even make rice now, and honestly tastes better. That's kind of prepackaged. You can do it. Throw it in the microwave. It's done. How you do that? Tuna ahi. You ever go spend $15, $20 from the ahi bowls out? You can easily do that, or you go pick yourself up some ahi grade tuna. You literally cut it up into small pieces, a little, I think, teriyaki sauce. I don't have the recipe in front of me, but literally it takes a few minutes. I have edamame. I put that in there. We do some cucumber. I think I chop up that, a little bit onion. I forget, maybe some black beans. Put that in it. Super easy. Literally takes a few minutes, and that's it. And then on Friday, I know my son's working and my daughter will probably do stuff, but we have, just in case, it's Friday night's our date night where my wife and I go out. So Friday night ends up being, well, we'll make sure we have something ready for the kids, and they've been wanting pizza or stromboli or something like that, and that's going to take a little bit of time. I like to make those things, but I may try a few different, maybe a flatbread pizza. We'll put some healthier options on there. Again, that takes a little bit of time to cook, so that's probably the one meal that takes a little longer than minutes, but a whole week. The best part about it, this is what I wanted to share with you. The best part about it is that we don't have to think about it. It's already done for the week. I think what happens is we start to feel like we need so many different options. We need so many choices, so many options. We need all the elaborate plans. We don't need elaborate. We need basics. If you just come back to the basics. And then it's easy to say, well, it's boring. Basic is boring. Well, basic is going to get you in shape. Unhealthy is boring. You might have the taste buds to have all the different types of foods and tastes, but if that's going to be at the expense of your health, and that ends up being boring, right? That's my challenge. Make things as simple as possible. As simple as possible. What I do with my coaching clients, I say, keep things simple. If you like tacos or you like Mexican, do that once a week and make that your staple once a week. We like doing breakfast once a week. That's a staple. And then just look for ways to improve on what you're serving for that time, instead of maybe a stack full of pancakes. All right, you like pancakes? Well, look for recipes to make different types of pancakes. You can add protein powder in those pancakes, and you can change it up. Instead of using a syrup on those pancakes and load it up with sugar, maybe look for putting a little bit of cinnamon and putting some fresh fruit over it. Super easy. But again, it doesn't have to be elaborate. My point is, you can do meal planning in minutes, literally minutes. I think, unfortunately, we tend to get confused. When we start to get confused, we have so many options. Oh, I need more choices. I need all these. Reality is, I've done that for people in the past, and you know what? They don't do it. And I have even done it in the past. And I'll tell you, when you start messing around with recipes and doing all that, even if you love to cook, chances are if you love to cook, you love to cook specific things, stick to it. If you're trying to be healthier and you like cooking certain things, still do those, but then maybe portion out. Whereas before, gosh, I love a big plate of big bowl of tortellini, or I like to make my own pizza. Well, do that, but just portion out the size accordingly for you. Again, this is more in meal planning in minutes. This took probably longer than it would take to make half of the meals that I have scheduled in the week. And you know what? Next week, it's going to be very similar. We're going to have a leftover night. We're going to have a grill. Actually, we grilled Sunday, and that's part of the leftovers as well. We do a grill night. We do a Mexican. We'll do something for the kids on Friday night to make sure they have set up and that they aren't totally deprived from enjoying things that maybe mom and dad are trying to be healthier. But I'll tell you what, our kids as teenagers, they look for those healthier things because they see mom and dad doing it. And I hope this video helped you in your planning process, your New Year's resolutions, trying to lose weight, trying to get in better shape. Listen, if I can just share with you one thing, it's time to maybe remove all the fancy, all the elaborate plans, all of, God, I want to make this, and this dish. Move it all away. Simplify. Make it easy, make it quick. If you're a busy parent like me, you got to make things quick so that you have time to do it and that it's healthy. That's all I have for today. I hope this helped. Take care. God bless. Let me know, in fact, if you do meal planning, if you make a little plan, if you start, taking my advice. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Reach out to me, send me a message, and we'll go from there. Take care. God bless. We'll see you.